name's Phil Duszminski from VAC Incorporated. Today we're going to do a little demo on the new touchscreen pump ops. It's a more economical training simulator, which is going to provide us with a more transportable unit, which we can take from fire station to fire station. We can customize the panel, so you are able to reconfigure this to basically suit multiple apparatus that you might have within your agency. From here, we're going to open up our tank to pump on the system. As you can see, we have discharge pressure now on the system. From here, we're going to go ahead and open up our first pre-connect. Our pressure's steadily increasing along with it. From over here on our governor, we're going to take and we're going to increase our pressure to 150 psi. We have the capabilities to increase, decrease pressure easily. Our idle button, if we want to go back down to idle pressure, and we can just as easily increase that pressure back up to where we're at. Or we can use the preset pressure that's on the governor here as well. So instead of just opening these 100%, we can take and we can gate them up open slowly by holding and steadily increasing those to whatever we want our discharge pressure to be on those gauges. If we have an intake for a water source, as we can see in the top panel over here, we have our hydrant that's connected. So now when the student were to call for water, we can have that water source connected. Once we have that connected there, our primary intake now, I can take and open that intake. As I can see on my intake pressure here, I now have my hydrant pressure going to that pump intake. I can come over here, I can close my tank to pump. I can open up my tank fill, and any water that I was flowing here on the panel is going to slowly and steadily continue to increase all the way till filled. And then at the point where the tank is already filled, it will start overflowing and we'll hear that water sound hitting the ground from underneath the panel. We hear that. I can now close my tank fill. I now got a full tank of water. I have my hydrant source connected, and now I can continue to open up additional discharges as I see fit. On the top left side over here, we can see our current hose line configurations. So one of the nice parts about the system is the modifications that the instructor is able to make. I can take and I can change all of these hose line configurations to whatever I see fit. So right now I have 1 3/4 hose lines on all of my primary 3 discharges. I can take and I can make those 2.5s. I can make those 4 inches if I wanted to. If the instructor wants, they can take and make all of these pre-connects and discharges according to what their actual apparatus is. And now when we utilize that apparatus for a training scenario, the student's going to go through and replicate just like they would in the real world.